In this video, we're going to look at Ramp credit card transactions and see them sync over to Sage 300 via the Anyware Apps connector. We're going to start in Ramp and go to Accounting, go to the Card Transaction section, and then I'm going to pick one of our test transactions here. We're going to do this $500 one for Google Ads. We're going to need to pick an accounting category. For this example, I'm just going to use General Office Expense, and then we'll mark it as ready. Once we mark it as ready, the Anywhere Apps connector will pick it up during its scheduled syncing and bring it over to Sage 300. So let's go to Sage 300 and see where that lives. Here we'll want to go to AP Transactions and then go to Payment Batch List. Here we see a Ramp credit card transaction for $500. We see that it is for Google Ads and is the transaction we brought across earlier.